There's not enough Granita in the world. Truly. It sounds very exotic. It's so easy to make. And this particular little icy delight in the bowl is made from elderflower, which is the most unassuming of plants for about 11 months of the year. It's essentially like a small tree, a weed for all the world. And then towards June, it puts on a show. Suddenly it's transformed into this tree that's bedecked with these gorgeous big white saucer-sized flowers with this incredible muscat scent. It's a dream to cook with and a dream to look at. Anyway, simple sugar and water syrup with some of the flowers, bring it to the boil, let it cool, add in lemon juice, and then strain all of that and freeze it. And then you just fork it up about 4 or 5 times during the freezing process, and you get these gorgeous little shards, crystals of the lightest, most delicate ice. It's an absolute joy. And in my garden, I have also a cultivated elderflower, this pink one, Sambucus nigra. So if you have some of those, you could pop a little bit on top like that, which would make a gorgeous little decoration. A lovely bowl that I love from many, many years ago when Simon Pearce was blowing glass in Kilkenny before he went to set up his wonderful glass works in Vermont. And then all of that sitting on a lovely, lovely bowl from Moyle in County Kerry. Altogether lovely.